Salam Jumaat, which is Happy Friday prayers. So I just got my package, which is the Galax Sniper EX 1080, 8GB of RAM. I got it from Shopee. This is the last unit they have. I got it around 1,550 ringgit plus shipping, 1560, and I'm very stoked about it. And yeah, let's go unpack this. Whoa, cantik. Very nice, guys. VR ready, DirectX 12, PCIe Gen 3, 6+8 pin. I'm ready for that already. Let's open this. Wow, so big and super dope. Looks nice. Wow, it's bigger than I thought, man. It's bigger than an MSI. And it's a bit dusty. But I think the condition of the thing can be wiped out with an easy cleanup. It's pretty big. This is made from metal. Wow, it's metal. I thought it was plastic. The fan is considerably clean. This is the LED strips that will come out some lighting, RGB. I'm gonna clean up a bit this one. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser really helps a lot. So what you need to do is just cut a little piece of this, just like so. Put some little bit of water and get ready tissue. And I'm gonna take that out. I don't really like stickers on my graphics card. Man, this guy, when they sell graphics card, they don't really take care of this. Oh my god, look at that. I have to be very gentle because I don't want to scratch the back plate. Be gentle. Okay guys, with flashlight on, I think it looks okay. Right, let's try to fix this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! Guys, that is beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. 3 DP and 1 HDMI and 1 DVI. Yes, got it. Alhamdulillah. Everything is okay. Now to install the driver. Super beautiful. I just want to admire the look here, guys. You know one thing about this? The color scheme of this white is like the creamy white matches with the AIO creamy white. So this one, and this one looks like a pair, and the Nzxt white is super white. So the super white of Nzxt is like blue white. It's not like white, it's like a blue tinge kind of white. So all in all, if you have this mix of colors, still looks good. You can see a bit yellowish. Even here is a bit yellowish like this, like the case, because it's metal. The GPU itself is metal, and this one is, of course, is metal. So it looks, that's why the white is not super white, I think. But overall, guys, this is it. I think worth the money. One thing I like about this graphics card, it doesn't show like Asus, ROG. It just shows that I'm using a GeForce GTX. That's it. Doesn't show a 1080 or whatnot. And we have this one LED strip running in white, and it looks super beautiful. And yeah, this is really nice, and it's working. Yeah, that's working.